If you're over 60, this message could literally change your life. I'm Dr. James Carter, and I want to share a secret. Most seniors don't realize that one tiny mistake every morning is making them age faster. But the fix is surprisingly simple and backed by science. When you wake up, a hormone called cortisol spikes. It's your body's natural alarm clock. But if you stay indoors and avoid sunlight for that first hour, your body's internal clock gets confused. That's why you feel tired, foggy, and older than you are. So here's what you do instead. Step outside right after waking up, even for just 5 minutes. Let that natural sunlight hit your eyes. No sunglasses. This simple action resets your hormones, boosts your energy, and starts cellular repair. Then, drink a glass of warm water with a little lemon or sea salt. This hydrates your body and gets your circulation going. Do this for 1 week, and you'll feel more energy, sharper focus, and even see younger-looking skin. It costs nothing. Try this habit for 7 days and see the difference for yourself. Follow for more senior secrets that truly work.